When we met Targetti, we were talking about a product which doesn't really exist yet on the market, which could be very flexible, could be outdoor, could also disappear a little bit with nature. Let's look at nature. What is extremely flexible? What can go everywhere between the grass, between the trees, between architecture? And look at those caterpillar. They're so flexible. And let's maybe imagine a project and a fixture that could be responding to the same, like could move in any kind of direction and really be very flexible, adjustable with different type of angle. I would say that the fixture disappear is very organic, can fit many different type of applications, but also it's well designed and really adapt itself to many different type of situations. Very often today, we cannot really light up because of the dark sky restriction, but it's always beautiful to like trees and to like foliage. So if we mount a fixture like this on the top of a tree, we can always light down really nicely through the tree. Lighting is like playing with the materiality, playing with the surrounding, it's playing with the shadows, and I think it works very well.